Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is the project to build a highway from Harborview to Port Antonio. So we are looking at the section being built from Harborview to the Yallus Bridge, and this will be the first section to be completed. So these pictures that you're looking at, this is what this section of the highway is going to look like. So on the left is the existing roadway, which is 2 lanes. And then on the right, they're building 2 additional lanes, which will make it 4 lanes. And you can see the Jersey barrier or the concrete barricade to separate both the sides of the road. So between Harborview and the Yallus Bridge, this is what the roadway will look like. 4 lanes, dual carriageway, with the concrete barricade in the middle. A modern looking highway. So this section now is supposed to be finished by August 2023, which is 11 weeks from now. So we are going to give you an update on this project every 2 weeks, and as we get closer to August, we'll give you an update every week. Actually, we might just do it every week so that you can see what's going on. So guys, let us know in the comment section, should we give you an update every 2 weeks or every week? But August is the end of August is 11 weeks away, and so we're going to take the tour to see if they will finish on time. So this section now, none of the sides of the road are finished. So we're going to head from the Yallus Bridge, the Harborview Bridge towards 11 miles and see what's going on, the construction on this side of the road. So remember, this entire stretch of the highway from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, the existing roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So all the construction you see going on, that is what they're doing. So there you can see the concrete barricade. And this just seems like a lot of work to be done in 11 weeks. The left side of the road is not finished, and the right side of the road is not finished, and they're not very close to finishing. But we're going to continue the tour, and as I said, we will give you updates so you can see firsthand what's going on. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor for this project. They get all the major highway projects in Jamaica. But in this case now, this project, China Harbour Engineering subcontracted out some sections of the highway construction to local contractors. Now that didn't work out too well. We have videos up going into that in more details. But China Harbour Engineering Company has been taking over a lot of those sections that the local contractors were to work on. So this section now, between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor for this section. It wasn't given to any local contractor. And this will be the first section of the highway that's finished. And they said August 2023. The deadline changes, but the last update we got was this section of the highway, actually from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge, would be finished in August 2023. Now this section that we're driving through between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, I'm not sure if this section will be finished in 11 weeks. There is so much work to be done out here. As we said, you can see it. No section of this road is finished. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think this road will be finished by August 2023, which is 11 weeks away? Leave your comments in the section below. What I find a bit surprising is we haven't seen anybody working between the Harbor View Bridge and this section. Now straight ahead I can see some construction work going on, but up until this point we haven't really seen anybody doing any work on this section. But we'll give you guys update videos as we go along so that you can see for yourself what's going on. So here you can see some work going on now. But this just seems like a lot of work to be done in 11 weeks. And this isn't the only section of the highway that needs work. There are so many other sections. Okay, so straight ahead you can see they've actually put in a Jersey barrier, but the road hasn't been paved on either side, or either side. So there you can see they look like they're going to extend the Jersey barrier coming down now. So they're clearing the way. But I'm not sure. 11 weeks to finish all this work just seems like a very short time. It's a lot of work to be done because you have to put in the Jersey barriers, you have to pave each side of the road, and if you look over here, this isn't really, it's a lot of work. So guys, let us know what you think. I'm not sure why they said August. Maybe December would have been a better date. And I mean, the people are very patient, so it's not a case where the road has to be finished. People understand that it's a major construction project, but they said August. They actually had said March, and then in March I changed it to April, which was very surprising because anybody who drove on the road in March would know that this project was not going to finish in April. And then in April they changed it to August, and I'm not sure if August is still feasible. But you guys let us know. And as I said, we will make the video so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, so they are using the rollers on the left side of the road now. So they are probably going to pave it soon, but that's not 2 lanes, that's 1 lane over there. So they have, I guess where they have these bricks, they're going to put them in and then finish that side of the road to make it into 2 lanes. But as it is now, that's not 2 lanes, that's 1 lane. So they have some more work to do before they pave it. Now this section is very wide, and you can easily put 2 lanes here. They just have to sort it out. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and remember we give you update videos every 2 weeks, and in this case we might actually start doing them every week if you guys think that's necessary. So leave your comment in the section below and let us know. And also, any video you want us to make, just send a comment, leave a comment in the section below. And if we're late putting up an update video, just leave a comment and remind us, and we'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, have a good day.